guys, it's Kelly, the embroidery nurse. So I had to turn off my true crime. You guys, I'm addicted to true crime, and I have just like been binge watching. I mean, I don't know what's happened in my mind, because I used to watch all Hallmark movies and love them, but I think I watched every single one of them. You know, Hallmark movies all end the same way. I guess true crime does too, but kind of a little bit more morbid, huh? Anyway, I just wanted to pop on because I don't know if your shop is like mine, but it's just funny. Sometimes I just get an absolute run of one particular item. So today is Puddle Jumper Embroidery Day. For real. Every single one of these orders right here is for a puddle jumper. So I don't know if you've seen puddle jumpers. I'm going to show you one right here. These things became popular, you know, before my kid. Well, no, maybe all three of my boys used them. I'm not sure. But there's just these, you know, ugly little things that have all these little characters on them, but they help your kids float in the water. I mean, you still got to watch them. And they're certainly not approved for, like, boating and all that stuff. But, you know, they're handy, and I did like them. But, you know, all the rage became putting these cute little covers on them. And Seersucker, of course, is at the top of that market. And you know how much I love my Seersucker. So I do the Seersucker Puddle Jumper Covers. Here's a couple examples. And here's other folks' examples that I've found too. So you can see they're super cute. I don't have a lot of pictures like in real life of the people that I've made them for wearing them. I probably should try to request some more of those. But I do want to give you just, you know, one piece of advice. You know, I sell 5 different colors and a million zillion versions, you know, of fonts and thread colors. So just like with any other product that I sell or you sell, it's just so recommended to take a picture of all the things that you do. So like today, what colors are we doing? I think we kind of have a lot of the same colors today. We've got pink, blue, purple, pink, blue, purple. That's weird. Pink. Okay. Was that a little pink, blue, purple, pink, blue, purple, pink? Did we have a little pattern there, it looks like. But anyway, take a picture of them. I could actually make separate listings out of these. So instead of just having one listing for all the puddle jumpers, I could do a listing for pink puddle jumper covers, because that might be specifically what someone is going on Etsy to look for. So the 3 pinks that I'll do, I can group those and take a picture of. The 2 purples I'm going to do, I can group those and take a picture of. The 2 blues that I do, I can group those, take a picture of them, and make separate listings for all of those. Just a recommendation that I have to share with you guys. So I'm actually going to set up all 3 of my machines today so I can knock these out. I mean, I don't have a ton. What was that, 7? But that's a lot to do in one day, right? So I'm going to go ahead and, you know, with 3 machines, just do 2 and 1 on 3 on another, and get them knocked out literally in the next hour. So that's a lot of orders that I can send out real quickly. And it's super easy when all you're doing is adding, you know, a monogram or adding a name. I'm not doing applique. I'm not cutting out fabric. I'm not using heat and bond. I'm not doing any of that fancy schmancy, time-consuming things. I'm literally just monogramming. Now, granted, you know, a puddle jumper cover is going to cost a little bit more for your blank inventory than just a white t-shirt, but it's something that not everybody has. Everybody can find a white t-shirt. Everybody, you know, is doing those things. So having a few items, you know, that you purchase as inventory to keep, whether it be, you know, puddle jumper covers, Seersucker book bags. I'm looking kind of at my inventory, towels, hooded towels, lunch boxes, things like that, cosmetic bags, things that you can have on hand. Those are great additions to your shop, you know, plus doing shirts or, you know, in place of doing shirts. So that's kind of up to you where you're at with your shop. So anyway, I'm going to just go ahead and get all the machines running, get my puddle jumper covers on the machines. I'll show you some pictures of those after I make them, and hope you guys are having an awesome, happy stitching day. And I forgot to mention, I do all 3 of these machines. I'm using my fast frames. So I've got a purple one, a pink one, a blue one, just by chance based on what colors I had going already on the machines. This one's going to be navy blue. But I use sticky stabilizer. The insides of the puddle jumper covers are they're not going to see it. So you don't really have to worry about that side. So sticky stabilizer is perfect for this project. I do use the sticky stabilizer, and then I actually will pin a little bit around. Specifically with seersucker, seersucker can shift a little bit, and also because these are lined. When anything's lined, you want to be very cognizant of the fact that if you use sticky stabilizer, all you are stabilizing is the liner. You're not stabilizing the fabric on top, which is the seersucker fabric in this case. So literally all I would be stabilizing is this under layer, and that could really make it shift. And that's happened to me, in the past with certain things, even like a dress or any clothing item that's lined. You just have to be very aware that you are stabilizing with that sticky stabilizer just the bottom layer. So I definitely want to put some pins around just to hold it in place. So I'm going to go put this on the machine. If you guys have any questions about how I'm doing or what I'm doing, you can absolutely do puddle jumper covers on any machine because they open up 100% completely. You unzip the bottom, you can actually unsnap. You can open up even more than I'm doing, but I just unzip it and then lay it on top with a fast frame. But you could hoop this on a smaller machine for sure, because it is flat. Flat items are awesome when you're using single needles. So these are just a great product. So I'm going to go put this on the machine. Short break for tennis, but I'm back. These all turned out awesome. So now what I'm going to do, I can show you some more of these. This is just the blue. This is the Market font. I love that one. I'll show you a few of the others that I did. So this one is just with a monogram, and that is super cute. I always love the monogram. This is Melanie font. It's hard to see, but some people really like that. They actually wanted really light pink. They want a kid's name, but they don't want it to be like, overbearing. Here's the Market font again, one of my favorites. If somebody doesn't put their selection or wants me to pick, then that's what I pick. This turned out cute. This is just the hand stitch font. Actually, I had two, and they're not the same order. This one is super cute. I love the green on the pink. Oh, there's the hand stitch again. Two separate orders. They just both pick the same font, same color and everything. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these and I'm going to take product photos. I'm going to do one with all of them on there, and then I'm going to do separate ones with maybe just the two purple, the two blue, the two pink, so that I can actually make more listings with just that. Say someone literally wants a navy puddle jumper cover. So I can have a listing that's just for that. It doesn't take anything else out of me to have that. And if it just brings in a few, more sales, then so be it. Other than the listing that has, all of them on there. I've got thread on me. So I'm going to do that now. I'll show you the pictures. These are super cute, super fun to stitch out, super easy and quick. Hope you enjoyed watching, and happy stitching. See you soon.